This next song's probably been heard by more people than any of the tune that I've written. I paid for more hotel rooms and 2x4s and meals than any other. But I don't think I like the person that wrote this song if I met him today. But I've forgiven the person who wrote the song. I hope this song helps other people forgive themselves for what they've been. I hope it helps other people forgive other people for what they've been, because we all need forgiveness. I'm living low down, and I'm using again. I'm hating my name, 'cause I'm cursed like my kin. And if I should see you before I'm condemned, I hope you're deceived by the webs that I spin. Because I despise the man in the mirror. Some star